In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accurately determine and utilize the color details of an object in your design using Adobe Illustrator. Understanding the exact colors can be crucial for brand consistency, precise printing requirements, or simply for achieving the visual impact you want. Let's dive right into the process, and I'll guide you through each step. First things first, you'll want to open up your document in Illustrator and then select the object whose color you want to check. To do this efficiently, simply use the Selection tool, which you can activate by pressing the V key on your keyboard. This tool is crucial as it allows you to click directly on the object of interest, ensuring that you're selecting the right element. Once you've selected your object, the next step involves accessing the color details. To do this, you have two primary panels to consider: the Color panel and the Swatches panel. Both panels can be opened from the Window menu at the top of your screen. Simply navigate to Window, and from the drop-down menu, click on either Color or Swatches, depending on your preference. Both panels provide great insights into your color selections and can be helpful for managing your document's color palette. Now, with your object selected and the panels open, focus on your fill or stroke color. The active one will show either in your toolbar or within the color panel itself. A simple double-click on the color box, there will open the Color Picker dialog. This is a powerful tool that provides precise numeric values for the color you're working with. Once in the Color Picker dialog, you'll notice several options for color values. In RGB mode, you will see the hex code at the bottom. Hex codes are essential when you need to ensure colors are consistent across digital platforms like websites or digital advertisements. Additionally, you'll find the RGB values, which are useful when adjusting colors on the screen for various devices. If your document is in CMYK mode instead, which is often used for print, you'll see the CMYK values displayed. These values represent the percentage of each ink being used, and are critical if you want the printed material to look exactly as you intend. To conclude your color selection process, ensure the mode your document is set in matches your specific needs. If you want the hex code, make sure the color panel is set to RGB. Finally, if you found the values you need, it can be particularly useful to copy these, such as the hex code, so you can paste it directly into your web design software, or note the CMYK numbers for print specifications. And there you have it, a streamlined way to accurately determine and use color values for any project in Illustrator.